I have got an opportunity for admissions in IIT Roorkee because I have a good ranks in JAM in chemistry. Should I go there? What about the opportunity? What about the courseworks? And what about the after MSc opportunity from IIT Roorkee? If you have this type of questions, I know you don't have answer. Don't worry, we have the solutions. Hi there, this is Shan. Welcome to our new series, Admission in Focus. Today with us there is Shyam. Hi Shyam.
Hello.
Shyam has done his master's in chemistry from IIT Roorkee, and he has got an excellent opportunity to join Allen Educational Institute. Shyam, why not you are introducing to our viewers?
Hello everyone. I am Sayam Sikka. I have completed my MSc Chemistry from Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, Uttarakhand, India, and I have also completed my graduation in BSc Chemistry Honors from Maharishi Dayanand University, MDU, Rohtak, Haryana. And recently I got selected for the faculty post in the Allen Career Institute in the Kota, Rajasthan, India.
That's nice, and that's a really good opportunity you got. And congratulations, Shyam, for that. Many, many congratulations from our channel. So,
Thank
Shyam,
you.
can you describe us what type of range of JAM rank can be accepted by IIT Roorkee?
So basically the JAM rank which was accepted by IIT Roorkee would be in the ranging around AIR 80 to AIR 130, around 130, 140. So basically this is the range of the JAM rank which will they consider for the admission in IIT Roorkee.
What about the coursework in IIT Roorkee?
The coursework would be like very constructive in IIT Roorkee, and as basically there are major fields, many fields regarding the physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry, as basically you are pursuing the different courses, and in the first semester you have select the 5 major course and 1 laboratory. In second semester basically there are 4 major course and 1 elective and the laboratory corresponding, and for the third semester there are all 5 are elective courses which you have to select by yourself, as you can choose by the courses by your interest, as basically mainly if you have interest in supramolecular chemistry or basically the organic asymmetric synthesis research like that. So basically you can select up to these fields kind of the elective courses you can select and go. And in the fourth semester there would be the MSc project, which even you can done in the department also, or even in the abroad or the other institutes of the India. You can did that MSc project where you can learn different kind of the things, research facilities, etc.
Shyam, why you choose IIT Roorkee as your MSc? Uh,
Yeah, because there is a good environment. Basically, you will get a very much good environment at the cooperative and understanding teachers there, and they also have a good placement records also for
exactly.
the
Can you
after person.
that one?
uh,
Yeah. What type of placement can we expect if I join IIT Roorkee? What type of institute, what type of companies do come?
Basically, as you are in the chemistry field, so talking about the placement from the IITs, there will be from IIT Roorkee, there will be placements in the educational institutes or like the pharmaceutical companies. So talking about that, we will get the basically the major educational recruitments in the institutes in the major and the prominent institutes like the Byju's and India's one of the most leading online platform, Akash Institute, Allen Career Institute, IFS Pune, and basically lots like that. You will get the major opportunities in the placement in the from the placement cell of the IIT Roorkee, and also in the pharmaceutical companies. There is also they will also hire you. So basically, these kind of the placements and the jobs opportunity you will get if you did your MSc from IIT Roorkee.
I heard that there is a too much requirement to sit for interview, to apply for the interview process of the job, as you had mentioned. So, what is the requirement to apply for that interview?
So the basic requirement would be you have the good academic records, as would be near around your age. CGPA would be near around 8 or above. It should be close to 8 or above, and basically you have the good communication skills and you have the basic knowledge of your concepts. As we are talking about the educational institutes coaching, basically they were asking about the basic concepts of the chemistry, whether you have a good knowledge and the good ability to conquer the concepts and the going through the concepts, and you have the knowledge or not, and like that also. And basically you have the basics knowledge and you have the good teaching ability. If you have the ability or like that and the good academic records, they will hire you.
That are different type of companies or educational institute, but we have to clear very much concept, isn't to appear for the interview process.
Yes.
So that and as I have heard from yourself only, that you have done a lot of hard work for the interview process, and means what type of questions can they ask to you?
Yeah, basically they were asking about the basics questions like that, as the basic of the chemistry would be starting from the 11th and the 12th standard. So basically the basic concepts of the chemistry, you have a good command on all the three branches of the chemistry, like physical, inorganic and organic. Basic concepts of them you should be very cleared and the very uh, competitive, like. So the basic requirement is that you have a good basic concepts. They were asking like basic questions like that, they're similar the how the reaction would be done and what's the formula, like this, the basic questions, your basic concepts and the ability to remind and the conquer the clear the concept should be good and effective. That's kind of the aspirant they're looking for.
Say I'm from IIT Roorkee, but I don't have a good CGPA. Can I apply for the interview process if I do good in my GATE exams, or some other way out is there to apply if I really be or interested to get a job?
You can apply, you can try to apply, but the basic placement cell requirement is like that you have a must have a CGP of the 8.0. If you don't have that CGPA, the chances would be less, but it's not like its chances would be zero. There are chances, that depends on your fate or destiny. So there are chances, but you must have the basic CGPA requirement of the 8. And as you have a good GATE score or the good academic other records, not that among the CGPA, so may you have a get the chances that you will sit in the placement cell for the placement.
Well, is it too hard to get CPI 8 at IIT Roorkee, or it can be manageable?
It's not that much hard, as you have cleared the IIT JAM exam to get admission in the IIT Roorkee. So it's not that much hard to get the good CGPA. So not that much hard, but basically you have to study your basic concepts. Your that should be cleared, and you have studied a little well during your MSc program. Then you will easily get your CGPA near around 8 or 8 above that. There's not so much hard work. Not so much.
So for IIT Roorkee, it's a normal trend, isn't to get good companies or good educational institute as a faculty position after MSc, isn't it? So that's a normal trend, or how much is that?
Basically, every year the various education institutes and the companies will come, and you can apply there, and various placements have been done there. And also basically talking about the IIT Roorkee, that other fields also, there will be even the direct recruitment for the ONGC and like that companies, like that. But for basically the chemistry field, there will be as like you have to clear the GATE exam first, and then you can sit for the interview. But for the other fields, other branches, there will be as like direct recruitment even from the IIT Roorkee for the ONGCs, like. That's the one of the good opportunity from the IIT Roorkee.
So how about your joining? When you will join Allen Education Institute?
That's this like this. Now the COVID situation is like that. So after that, I will join there. Because of the COVID, I am not able to join right now.
That's really nice, and then very, very congratulate to you for your new opportunity and good opportunity in your life. And I just like to finish by thanking Shyam. Many, many thanks to you. Many, many thanks from our channel. Thank you very much for giving us the information about how to crack a job after MSc from many IIT. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Goodbye.
Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, any type of questions about how to crack job, how to appear for interview process, you can just directly ask me. And we also have the mail ID for Siam. You can directly also mail him. I will give it in the comment box and also the description box. You can make also comment if you have any query about the video, if you have any query about the job, how to get. And thank you for watching. Thank you for now. Bye bye.
Goodbye.